Dear students, today I will explain how orthographic views formed in third angle projection. This is four quadrants. When horizontal plane and vertical plane coincides, it forms four quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. For third angle projection, object placed in the third quadrant. Here we have to place the object. Here object. And observe from the right hand side. Or sometimes we have to observe left hand side also. Here we observing from the right hand side. So when observing this in the third quadrant, it is the VP, it is the HP, and here PP. So I will explain when object is placed in the third quadrant. See, this is the third quadrant. Here object is placed in the third quadrant. Observing the right hand side. When you observe from the right hand side, it is the VP, and when observing the side view, your left side, it is the profile plane. When observing the top view, it is the horizontal plane. There are three planes and object is the third quadrant. And another principle of third angle projection is always plane is in between the observer and object. Let us see, in this here I am observer and this is the object. In between the observer and object, here it is the plane, that is vertical plane. When observing from the top end also, plane, horizontal plane is between the object and the observer. When observing from the side view, here also, according to the principle, plane is between object and the observer. So, when observing the front view, on the vertical plane, front view form L shape of the object. It is L shape. When observing from the top view, here there are two surface, horizontal surface. One is this and another this L-shaped object. These two surfaces are formed on the horizontal plane. It is the one surface. A surface, here formed from the front top view, and another B surface, another surface here, one side by side. The two surfaces are formed, A and B. It is formed on the horizontal plane, and side view formed on the profile plane. Here C surface, vertical surface, and another one is D surface. This is the vertical surface. It is formed on this. That is, it is C surface. It is D surface. So three views formed. See, this is the four quadrants. It is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. See, in the third angle projection, object placed in the third quadrant. Object is placed in the third quadrant. As per principle of third angle projection, always plane is middle between the object and observer. While observing from the side view, plane is middle, then the object and observer. While observing top view, here also plane is middle between the object and observer. Now I am observing the front view from the your right hand side. So now observing right hand side, front view. Now it is the vertical plane. It is the vertical plane. and views formed on the plane. Like this. It is the front view. Now side view observe from your left angle. Now you observe the left hand side view. It is the PP. Profile view. Now while observing, there are two steps. The white surface only formed from the side view. So while observing white surface, we get there are two steps, one over another. This is the side view. Top view observed from the top view. While observing the top view, you have to observe it when front view observe which direction. Same direction you have to observe the top view. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅದೇ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಬಲಬದಿಯಿಂದ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವುದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತೇವೆ? HP ಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತೇವೆ, ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಇದರ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ನ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಒಂದರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಎರಡು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 and 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ, when observing the top end, here there are two surfaces, one this one and another this yellow color. Only two surfaces visible when observed from the top. So it is one surface and another two surfaces. You have to draw one by one side another. ಒಂದರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. See, in this way it is not possible to represent on the drawing sheet because it is the 3D drawing. Our drawing sheet is a 2D, two-dimensional sheet. So what we have to do means, here when take the scissor, we have to cut the in between the HP and PP. Here we have to cut the plane using scissors. So then it has to rotate. HP has to rotate upward direction, PP has to rotate in this direction. Here in between the PP and HP, it is cut by a scissor and it is rotated partially. PP is tilted in the direction and HP tilted in the upward direction. Here it is slightly tilted. Here, see, it is HP, it is PP. In between the PP and HP, we have to cut by a scissor and we have to rotate partial upward direction and it is towards the left side. So it is rotated like this. Just observe here, front view you observe from the right hand, your right hand. Here it is the right hand and below the XY axis, and side view observed from the left hand. Here it is left side. Top view is observed from the top side. Here the horizontal plane is the top side. Like that, it is partially rotated. See, when two planes fully rotated, which one? PP and HP fully rotated, it forms like that. Now it becomes 2D, two-dimensional. Now easy to draw on the drawing sheet. So three views of an object shown on drawing sheet by two-dimensional drawing sheet, 2D sheets. So it is front view. When you observe from the front view, your right hand side. Here also it is formed on the right hand side below the XY. Above the front view, top view formed, HP, top view here. And side view is observed your left hand side. Here this axis, vertical axis. In the vertical axis it is in the left hand side. So view formed when you observe in each direction, same direction the view formed. See in the board like this. Here front view above the fully rotated three planes. Front view above the front view, top view, and in the side of the front view, side view, VP, PP, HP. Now I will explain how it is drawn on the two drawing sheets. Now how to draw the three views in drawing sheet in third angle projection. Same object. I will draw the object first, then draw the views, orthographic views of the same object. Now you take the dimension of this. The length of the object is 60 here to here, and height is 50. This length is 20. This is 20, and this one is also 20. So now first I will draw the isometric view of this object. Just see it. It is the horizontal axis. For horizontal axis, we have to draw one 30-degree line and draw another 30-degree line. And vertical line. From here, total length 60 mm. And width is 40 mm. Height is 50 mm. Now draw, it is vertical line, this one. This is also three vertical lines here. What is the height of this? Same height should be taken here. This height. Both are same height. Now draw the parallel lines of this. I draw this step. This step. Height is taken as 20 mm. Then we have to draw this. This is parallel to this line. So from this point, we have to draw 130-degree line, and that dimension is 20, same as that of Idraste. Idraste 20 mark. Then draw one vertical line from that point. And join this line to the 30-degree angle. This angle, and this angle same. Now draw this step. It is parallel to this 30-degree. What is the angle of this? Same. Using this set square, draw another line. This is also same, and this is also same. Now join this parallel to this line. These lines are parallel. So join this, and from it is vertical line. Here also vertical line. And complete the figure. Now these all lines are thin. So we have to, these are the visible edges. This horizontal edge, vertical edge, horizontal, vertical. It is the visible edge. We have to make it thick line. Here I am using white color mark. I using white color mark. Chalk. Now draw the dimension. Extend the line, thin line, extend it, and parallel to this edge we have to draw one line horizontal. It is also a thin dimension line. At the end draw arrowheads, and above the line and middle we have to write the dimension. It is 60 mm. It not indicate the unit of that. And width, draw parallel line after drawing the extension line, and arrowhead, both side arrowhead. Width is 40 mm and indicate the height. Here parallel to that vertical line, dimension line, draw arrowhead. Its height is 50 mm. There are two steps to indicate that dimension it is and its height. Vertical line, draw arrowhead. Dimension line, this step length is 20 mm. 20 mm. Now observation, front view observe from right hand side. So mark arrowhead. It is a front view. And side view. Now draw the orthographic views of this object in third angle projection. So start the views. First draw horizontal line, axis. It should be thin line, that is XY axis. Draw vertical axis, that is also a thin. It is X dash, Y dash. Now observe the front view from the right hand side. This is the front surface. It is front surface. Here right hand side, observe in the first time third angle projection, it lies below the XY axis. No, here it is the VP. Above the VP, HP, top view lies. Inside of the VP, PP lies. So we have to draw front view here. Now make the gap in the between 20 mm here. One light line. thin line. Here also gap 20 mm. Draw another line. So now front view you have to start from the here in this position. So you have to draw the base line first. Base of the object. What is the length of this? 60 mm. And height is 50 mm. And length 60. Here, length 60. And height 50. So from this point we have to draw base line. That is the 60. And this height is from and this length is 20. Now join this. Now this is the surface, front surface. It is the visible edge. These all edges are visible edge. This and vertical edge and this. So we have to use these edges are thick lines, continuous thick, not thin. Now draw the top view, observing from the right hand side. When observing the top view, we get this surface, one surface, and another this surface. Its length is 60 when observing from the top also. Both length is 60. Therefore, we have to extend this line, projector line, from 3 corners. Here you have to leave the space 20 mm. So from here we have to start the top view. Illinda nodudilla first ee edge badu top view. Ee edge badu third angle ee edge illinda ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ನೀವು ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಈ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಈ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದರ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದೊಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಅದರ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 40 mm ಇದೆ. Width, it is the length. This is the top two surfaces. And draw another view, side view. Now we have to draw 145-degree line here. Say how to draw 45-degree line. Divide equally. Thin agi now arc draw ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Not thick. ಈ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಇಂದ arc. ಇದೀಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So this is the 45-degree line. Thin ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We can use protractor also. Or 45-degree set square. Easy method is we have one 45-degree set square, place the 45-degree set square and draw a line, that is 45-degree line, or this method, or protractor. Now join the horizontal line up here, and from this corner draw the horizontal line. this edge and from this edge. These are all the thin lines. These are all the thin lines. Now complete the side view by observe from the your left hand side. Nimma left hand side nodidre. This is the side view. One is this surface. This is the white color surface, and above this another surface. It is this rectangle, this, and below the rectangle this, one over the other. Now complete this. And this two steps divided by this line. This is the side view. Now write we got three views: front view, top view, and side view. Now indicate the dimensions. It is the shape gives. Three views gives the shape of an object. Now as well as we have to give the size of the object. First length. It may be draw here or in the front view or top view, any place. Draw a dimension line. Draw arrowhead, both ends, and in the middle we have to write the length of the object. Length 60. In the lengthwise it is divided two steps. So draw another line. Draw a dimension line, thin line. Draw arrowhead and write the dimension is 20. You get here 20. Now in the lengthwise there are two lines, and height is indicated by whether in the front view or side view. We can indicate here or here, any place. Draw a thin line, dimension line, indicate draw a arrowhead, and height is 50 mm, like this. From here to here, 50. Above the line we have to write the dimension. Reading methods. Here to here, 50. Write the dimension above the line as far as middle of that line. And another step. There are two steps. You have to write the dimension. It is height 20. One more dimension we have to indicate. Here length, height and width. Width may be indicated in the side view or top view. Any place. Any one place we have to represent. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬಾರದು. ಒಂದೇ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. Should not repeat the dimensioning procedure. Width 40. So we get size also, shape and size. Now write the view's name. First we have to draw two horizontal line, thin line in 5 mm gap. In between that, in capital letter, we have to write the name of the views. In the middle of this view, draw two horizontal lines. Here we write top view or plan. And for this, this is the side view. Three views in third angle projection.